We're at Fluffy's. The sun is not fully out yet. We have some cloud covering. She's had her chewable flea and tick treatment. Jay just put down cat treats. He retrieved the dried food dish, emptied the water out of the water dish. I rinsed it out, put fresh water in, gave her a couple handfuls of dry food. And it's cold. It's in the mid to high 40s this morning. You got more in front of you. Okay, that's a girl. Oh, he's coming down. Turned around. Peacock at Whispering Hills Ranch on the golden tree, which is still green with green leaves. It will go gold. Go ahead. You have to dig it out. He'll wait. We got an anxious peacock. My peacock wants mealworm. Yeah.
Well, that's me.
Yeah.
There you go. Much better.
Okie dokes. He found it. Came at the Lutheran church. Collie is here. Jay's at the church's back parking lot putting food down on the cement curb. We got delayed by peacocks at Whispering Hills Ranch. One of my peacocks spotted me when he was up in the golden tree, came down, and I knew if I didn't go over and put food out, he would come out onto Evans Road to cross it to where I was. So I went to him, put food out, and then the two peahens and the pea chick showed up as well. So a little out of breath because I dashed back across the street after getting food down for them. But they're fun. We had a fellow walker walking with them, and as soon as I realized my peacock had come down and was going to come onto Evans Road, I said, uh-oh, I got to go across the street and give him food or he'll come down the road and he'll get hurt. So he followed us over and got some nice pictures. Anyway, Collie is waiting and Jay has finished. He stood up when he was walking away. Go ahead, Collie. Did the nice lady give you some dry food this morning? Because you're not dashing over there.
Not sure how much of a showing we're going to have at Elvis Adobe Park. There's a Cooper's hawk perched on the tree just to the east of the park boundary. Well, CC is at the back of the park this morning. First time we've seen him in quite a few days. See how close he lets me get for a feeding spot before he withdraws. How's a handsome boy, huh? Meow. Yeah. Good morning. Okay, I stopped recording. Stop recording while I put the food down. Okay, happy cat. Now we set out the bird food.
Nice to see CC today. He's just finished his breakfast. Jay's already done a video on him, but I like to do him too. A handsome guy. Happy kitty.
He's just watching the bird. Didn't on the floor show. Instead of happy Sonny because he didn't finish.
We're back at the Lutheran church. Collie is still here. I don't know that she's going to come over for the treats that Jay just put down for her, but they're there. She may be contented with a happy full tummy. I don't think she's coming over right now, but she knows they're there. So if she wants them, she'll eat them. And Fluffy's on her way back to her area from Rebecca's. Oh, come on down. Come on. Jay's gonna put the cat treats on the sidewalk. They put the container down. He selected one and took it up to the nearby fence post to eat it. He might return for a second one. We'll see. Just how quickly he can finish that worm. First he has to tenderize it though. Okay, he finished it. Come on, Sonny.
Oh, wow. So that's the father of our friend. Oh, nice.
Okay, very good.
The easternmost redwood tree at Burnett Elementary had a Cooper's hawk perched up high. But go out a little bit. A couple of crows are giving it grief. They're not getting too close, but they've been making passes. Oh, now they're going away now that I'm recording. Okay.